politics in Jamaica will know that the partying, the revelry will go well into the night, talking about the drinking and the eating. But the person who helped to organize all of this today is the General Secretary of the People's National Party, Dr. Dayton Campbell, and he now joins me live on TVJ. Dr. Campbell, here's a view among many Jamaicans, persons who follow politics, that this could very well be the People's National Party's last conference before a general election is called, which is due next year. How important is it that, you know, the People's National Party's base is energized at this conference?
It was very important for us to put on a good showing, so we took that into consideration. I thought our production was good, we mobilized properly, and the energy was good. You know, you can pay for the crowd, but you can't pay for the vibes that they are in. And I think our people are motivated, they are ready. They are waiting on the Prime Minister to just announce the date. We think that the time has come for a change, and we choose change. We want change in how crime is being dealt with in Jamaica. You know, funnily, the government says that crime is under control. Really and truly, when they took over, there was about 1,200 murders per year. It was still too much, but it ran up to 1,700, and then they've brought it back down to 1,400 and celebrating it. It's still way higher than where it was when they went into government. So these things, you know, the education system, only 18% of students getting 5 subjects, include maths and English, is unacceptable. The healthcare system, and I know that inside out because of my profession, where people are on floors, I mean, people are waiting for dialysis, it's causing $15,000 2 times a week. Where the farmers are concerned, you've seen what has happened with the food prices, and that's because we haven't taken agriculture seriously, in making land available to people, making access to the land available, to ensure that people can get loans to do their farms, that there's irrigation, that there is proper protection against prison and larceny, that there is storage facility when people reap, and that you incorporate technology into marketing. So currently, a farmer in St. Elizabeth sells a melon to the third party at $60 a pound, and then when it gets to Kingston, it's in the supermarket for $180 a pound. So, you know, if you were to use technology, then the supermarket in Kingston would see the farmer with it.
As you can see, my producer here is indicating that time we are strapped for time. But I also want to ask you about, you know, persons, your representation on the podium here today. Vybz Kartel and L.A. Lewis on the stage here today. What is that all about?
As well. The Maroon Chief from a compound was also here with us today. You know, we are the People's Party. We're a party that has always been the home of Jamaicans from different areas of the society. We believe in the cultural industry, we believe in the sports industry. We have caused those areas to be developed where they have caused people to break the shackles of intergenerational poverty. So it's a public session of the conference where everyone is welcome. And individuals are going to come, they're going to show their support for the party that they think will treat them best. And that's what you saw here today. But remember that music has always been infused into politics in Jamaica.
Well, to give one of our attendees a comrade, a minute to talk to you. Comrade, Isaac Buchanan.
Greetings all. Listen, I just want to take this opportunity to tell everybody, anything that we do is God on time. And with God on time, we know that time come, and time come right now. Certainly for this conference, the message that I want to send is that we are fighting for the youths of this country, the future, for freedom, for justice, and for the Constitution. So when you see us out here, just know that we support my goal in 150%, because that is what we'll require. God on time, time comes.
I'm not psychic, but you know we just come for represent. represent for our people them at this time politically. And you know, the vibes is nice, so I just really think.
Politically, what would you change about Jamaica right now? What bothers you, what disturbs you?
No, what bothers me and what disturbs me are the same sentiment the people them are the right as a share. That's why I'm here. So Mr. Golden will make it clear.